Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to adjust pen pressure. So if you want to adjust pen pressure, you can go to File menu, click on pen pressure settings. So be sure for adjust pen pressures. Now you can check at this box to show the pen pressure graphs and you can click hold to edit the pressure. After it, you can click the check adjust settings, and then you can see we have this option strongs or light. You can use this option. If you done, you can click done buttons to apply the adjust pen settings. Okay, that's it for a basic Clip Studio Pen tutorial how to adjust pen pressure.